Hey guys, James here from MowBot. Today I'm going to run you through how to change the wheel brushes inside your 450X NERA machine. So what you'll need is a wheel brush kit for the appropriate machine. This is the right one for the 450X NERA here. You can purchase these on the MowBot shop. So your wheel brushes are housed under the two plastic covers at the back of the machine on the 450 NERA. And to be able to take these covers off, there's a little tab that you can access from underneath the cover, and you just push up and then that will open it up, and you can see that they're marked with what side they're on as well. The wheel brushes are held in place using these black tabs, which you just pull back here. They can be a little bit niggly to get in and out, so just be patient with it. And then I'll just pull out the wheel brush that has been in the machine for a little while that needs replacing. You can see here, this is an old one versus the new one here. All you need to do to put them back in is everything in the reverse order. So these wheel brushes just go in from the top. You want to make sure that the brushes are all pushed through the gap and then pushed down. So once you've been able to put the wheel brush in, you want to make sure that this black tab slides back into place with a little pop. And then the next step will be to put the cover back on. Make sure that you've got the right side, and then put it in and you should hear a little click. From there, you're all good to go out and mow again. And that's how you change your wheel brush kit on your 450 NERA. Thanks.